All right, so what you see here is a new ChatGPT update, which lets you do all your image editing from this new tab. And all of this comes with a new model. I gave it this base image and I said, make me Santa, like not a long prompt, just like very simple. And this is what it came up with. The belt is this normal?
No, that's not great. It's not
But
great.
The rest is, I must say, it's pretty good. Now compare this to something from Google. This is from Google Nano Banana Pro.
Oh, wow.
Same image, same exact prompt, and we see how different it is.
Yeah, that's not good.
The ChatGPT one is much closer. The image is much more preserved. The Google one is kind of like more, I would say, it makes more sense if it would be like me actually as Santa. Anyway.
What we need to remember is, what we need to remind ourselves is, and it kind of really exemplifies this bubble, is we need to put aside the technical prowess or the technical, it's no doubt very, very cool, some of the stuff that it's creating. But is it what you want? Is it something you would be proud to put in front of a client that they've paid, X amount of money for?
No.
A lot of this stuff we're not there yet. Like, and there's a great video that I watched about Apple. We can get into this next week about how their plan to kind of step back a little bit and announcing that we didn't release stuff because it's not good enough. Like in a bubble.
Yeah.
Relative. I've forgotten relative or absolute, whatever it is, but it's like, no, like it's just not good enough. Impressive, but is it good enough? And that's what we've got to ask ourselves.
So to me, it's not good enough, and hallucination absolutely exists. So if you do coding, if you do image generation, if you do any sort of work with AI, the hallucination hits too bad. Like it's still not close to the Apple level that you mentioned. And even not enough for my clients. Like I showed you this earlier, that we are doing this Christmas card, right? This image is generated with AI. Do you think this is going in front of my clients? No, absolutely not. Like this is dog shit. Like if you zoom in, it's hallucinating so much. I cannot put this in front of my clients. So my 3D guy, he's creating like a full-on like 3D Christmas tree with like Webflow and Figma and logos of like these companies, our logo, and like these logos added, and like all with care and detail and the level that I want. I literally took pictures of my own Christmas tree and sent it to him as a reference. So no, this is good. These tools are good for doing like these prototyping. It's really quick to get a Christmas tree in the aspect ratio and form and direction that we want, to put it on the canvas to play with. But when it comes to the final touch and getting it to the client, unfortunately, these tools are not there.
Nothing's taken away from the fact that it's impressive. It's very clever, and I've got something to show you in just a second. So,
and I wouldn't even create a Christmas card for my friends with AI. I wouldn't. I would find that offensive.
Man, tough nut to crack you are, aren't you? Jesus, I just trying to do something nice.
People
then.
like,
if it was my best friend and they did this to me, right? Yes, I'd be a little bit pissed off. Or if it was like, but if it was someone like that I wasn't that close to, I'd be like, yeah, whatever.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Get ready for the jump scare, guys.